Hello and welcome. In this video I'll show you how you can create PDF to JPG using jamjar.com. Go to this URL. The first step is to select a PDF file. Look at the file and select the file you want to convert. Click open. The file is listed here. So now the second step is to select the expected format. This website allows converting to documents format. There is many formats you can convert. For image, there is all type of image format. You can also convert to ebooks. So there is many formats you can convert to. We will select JPG. Now third step is it require your email. Give your email address. Okay, now click on convert. So it is started. So it quickly converted and the file is sent to email. So it is showing that it is successful and the file converted and sent to my email. So now let us check my email. Refresh my mailbox. So in the update tab you can see an email from Jamjar. So here is the link for downloading the converted file. Click on the link. So it shows converted file list. So it is generated zip file and the JPEG image file separately. And now we click on download now. Click on save. OK. So now let us find the image file. So the JPG image is generated. So this is how you can generate image file from your PDF. If you like this video, please hit thumbs up and subscribe our channel. We are sharing technology videos every week.